Located 30 kilometers from São Paulo, Brazil, the Itahyê Residence spans 330 square meters across 3 distinct stories. The lower level houses the garage, laundry, and storage areas. The middle level, which opens up to the backyard, includes the kitchen and living areas. The upper floor is reserved for the family room and 3 bedrooms. This tier distribution is accentuated by the use of different materials for each level. Brick for the lower floor, a solid concrete box for the middle level, and blue metallic tiles for the upper level. These material choices were carefully selected to ensure long-term maintenance and optimal thermal performance, with specialist calculations guiding the design for each area. The studies conducted on thermal performance also inform the placement and size of openings, ensuring the best location and ventilation for breezy summer rooms that remain cozy and warm in the winter. This attention to detail extended to the facades and types of openings, resulting in a design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The client's desire for ample external space, a key reason for moving from an apartment to a house, was a significant consideration in the design. The distribution of floors allows cars to be isolated from the social area, with the living room only touching the ground to preserve the expansive lawn. The upper floor creates a roof for the veranda and part of the garden, providing privacy from the street while opening the house and bedrooms to their own garden. Part of the living area features a double ceiling that integrates with the family room, enhancing ventilation. Large sliding doors connect the living area with the garden, while the veranda with barbecue equipment is aligned with the kitchen to avoid obstructing the living room view and to facilitate better interaction between the barbecue and kitchen areas. To shield the veranda from the setting sun, white ceramic elements were installed, creating a protective shadow pattern. Raw concrete is a prominent feature of all external walls, balanced by white walls and wooden floors inside. On the upper floor, 3 bedrooms accommodate both children and parents, each with its own suite. The master suite includes a balcony instead of a facade window, offering a private outdoor space.